Good afternoon, students.
Very good afternoon, all the participants. Welcome to today's session. Madam is going to explain about the C4 cycle today in photosynthesis. Yesterday, Madam has clearly explained about C3 cycle. So, if you have any doubt, please ask our respected Rajni Madam Garu. Madam, please start the session.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. In yesterday class, I'll completed to the C3 cycle. In the dark reaction, I'll start the dark reaction. In that dark reaction, what are the another names in dark reaction? Remaining names. Carbon dioxide fixation, and the second thing is the carbon assimilation. In the old name is called dark reaction. In that dark reaction, to complete the explanation is completed in the C3 cycle. What is the C3 cycle? Before C3 cycle, I'll explain total what are the isotopes utilizing the scientist. That is a CO2 14 isotope. After Second World War in 1945, some chemicals to identify the scientists. The isotope name is called the CO2 14 isotope. To utilizing these isotope, Kelvin, Melvin, Kelvin, Benson, these scientists to identify. And here the first stable compound 3-PCA. That's why this is the C3 cycle. Another in the carbon dioxide cycle or dark reaction, the second cycle or that is a first stable compound. In that one is a 4-carbon compound. See here in this C3 cycle, the first stable compound is a CP3. That is the C3 cycle. The next cycle, the second one, see here. These are the C3 cycle, and the second one C4 cycle. Here the C4 cycle, this pathway is called, several names are there. That first name is called beta carboxylation pathway. What is the name? Beta carboxylation pathway. The second name is called Hutch-Slack cycle. Both these are the names of the scientist name. Hutch and another scientist is a Slack. Both scientists to explain to in this cycle. That's why that is name is called Hutch-Slack cycle. Another here the stable compound, carbon 4-carbon compound. That's why this is called the C4 cycle. Okay. In this pathway, names are beta carboxylation, Hutch-Slack pathway, and another scientist. One is the Hart and Burr. The second scientist is here, not there in that one. Hart and Burr in 1965 found that 3-PCA is not the initial product of photosynthesis. Which one is not initial in the 3-PCA? Only in the before C3 cycle, I'll explain the initial is the 3-PCA. But in 1965, the Hart and Burr, both scientists found that in 3-PCA is not the initial product of photosynthesis. In case of sugarcane, sugarcane is the monocotyledon plant. Okay, here instead it was, that is a 4-carbon compound. That compound name is called, the 4-carbon name is called malic acid. Which one is that one is called malic acid or aspartic acid. Both are the 4-carbon compound. One is the malic acid. The second thing is the see here malic acid. Another name is the aspartic acid. These Hatch and another Slack, both scientists confined the result of the above scientist. What the above scientists Hart and Burr, while working sugarcane plant. Here both scientists to take the monocotyledon plant, that name is sugarcane. Because the first stable compound is a 4-carbon compound here. That's why this pathway name is called C4 pathway. The plants which undergoes this pathway are called C4 plants. In the C3 also, the first stable compound is the C3, 3-PCA. That's plants undergoes is called the C3 plants. But here the first stable compound is the malic acid, and the second thing is the aspartic acid. Both are there, both are same, but these are the both are a stable compound C4. That's why this pathway name is called C4 pathway, or another name is called the plants undergoes in this one C4 plants. Here in this one, another scientist is there, Professor V.S. Ramadas. The scientist, sir is the SV University, Sri Venkateshwara University professor. Sir done extensive research work in all C4 plants. But here can carefully listen, the C4 plants always to the monocotyledon plants. The sugarcane one, maize, these are the monocotyledon plants. But in our India, the sir name is called Professor Ramadas, SV University sir. Very extensive research work on the C4 plants in India. Okay, what are the C4 plants? Here, this pathway occur in the plants, subtropical, tropical regions of the world. The temperature in the 30 degrees to 45 degrees centigrade. In these plants is the temperature 35 to 60 degrees centigrade. Here, Kranz anatomy is not there, but okay, I'll explain in this one. Only direct cycle is there, but I'll explain the Kranz anatomy. These plants were temperature ranges between to the 32 degrees centigrade to 45. Here, about 1500 species of angiospermic belonging to the 19 families exhibit in these C4 plants. The plants are better equipped to withstand drought and are able to maintain activity of the photosynthesis. In this, here the photosynthesis even undergoes to the condition of water stress. The suggests that the C4 pathway, the total these pathway biologically very more evolved compared to C3 pathway. Why the temperature range to these plants are the range of temperature in the between 30 to 45 degrees centigrade also. And the main, how many species to angios, total 1500 species of angiospermic. How many families are there? Total 19 families to undergoes in C4 plants. Why this is a plants is a very better equipped withstand the drought condition to able maintain activity to the photosynthesis by some water stress condition of the water stress also. Okay, that's where to compare the C4 plants, this pathway more evolved than the C3 plants. Okay, before I'll discuss about the C4 plants, here the arrangement of leaf also very different structures are there in that one. If the leaf structure name is called Kranz anatomy, this one also to ask the examination time. We in C4 plants, the leaf structure, what type of anatomy you can observe? That anatomy name is called the Kranz anatomy. See, what is the Kranz anatomy? The most of the leaves distinguished anatomical features of the different C4 leaves. Here, main you can observe to the vascular system. Tell me what is the vascular system? Anyone?
Xylem phloem, madam.
Huh?
Xylem phloem.
Xylem and phloem. Which plants to starting the vascular plants? Which class is the vascular plants?
Pteridophytes, ma'am.
Pteridophytes. What is the another name of pteridophyte? What is the another name? Already, madam, to explanation already completed.
Vascular
no?
cryptograms, madam. Vascular
cryptograms. Another name? What is the common name? Vascular cryptograms, botanical snakes, first land plants. These are the pteridophytic plants. If they, to ask the question in indirectly question in examination time, write down the botanical snakes of the plants and give the some examples of the pteridophytes. Okay, yeah. See here in the diagram, this is the Kranz anatomy. The pictures you can observe in that one. Here the C4 plants is the leaf structure is different to compare to the C3 plants. Okay, but here the C4 plants leaf almost I'll example give the monocotyledon, maize, sugar cane. But I'll give the example two. One is a maize and second one is a sugar cane. But this is the structure of what is a Kranz anatomy. The most distinguished the anatomical features of C4 leaf. The presence of, here you can observe in this one, prominent double sheath vascular bundles are present. You can observe in this diagram. See here where my arrow mark is there. No, this is the bundle sheath vascular system. What is the system here? There, bundle sheath vascular system is present in this leaf structure. That is a doubled bundle sheath vascular system. And these type of anatomical features or specialization of C4 plants or C4 leaf is called Cran's anatomy. This question to ask the examination time. Where you can identify the Cran's anatomy leaf only C4 plants. Okay, what is this one? This word is called Cranch is called German word. The meaning is the worth. What is the meaning of Cranch? That is called the worth. Here, due to a ring-like, see, you can observe here a ring-like arrangement. You can observe that is the bundle sheath cells. While organ, this one is the in this one. See in the dots like there, no, in the bundle sheath you can observe the chloroplast also and are present in the bundle sheath. Where the bundle sheath cells are there, inside the bundle sheath cells, you can observe to the chloroplast. Chloroplast are present in the bundle sheath cell. Here, the mesophilic cells of C4 leaf have grana in their chloroplast. Listen here careful. Which sheath, which chloroplast is there in this one? All C4. The mesophilic cells. What is the mesophilic cell? The leaf structure, the TS of leaf, sorry, VS of leaf, vertical section of leaf. You can observe to the, see here, to the leaf structure. These cells is called mesophilic cells. What are these cells? Mesophilic. These cells is called the mesophilic cells. And here you can observe this vascular bundle. Both here in the vascular bundles also chloroplast is present. And where the mesophilic cells are there, in that mesophilic cells inside chloroplast. Here how many types of chloroplast are there? 2 types of chloroplasts are present. That's why this is a dimorphism. This one also to ask the question, where you can identify the dimorphism? Only Cran's anatomy, that is a C4 leaf. Why these Cran's anatomy? You can observe the both side of chloroplasts are present. One is the mesophilic cells, chloroplasts are present, and where the bundle sheath are there. See, this round part is called the bundle sheath. Inside the bundle sheath also chloroplast is present. That's where the mesophilic cells of C4 plants leaf have grana in their chloroplast. That's where these chloroplast name is called dimorphism. Very important, compulsory to ask this one also. Okay. 1 second. Did you understand this one? The structure of C4 leaf? Hello. Tell me, what happened? Rahul. See. Okay. 1 second. I'll see that the total cycle. This one is the C4 cycle. What is the names of C4 cycle? Beta carboxylation cycle, Hatchslag cycle, C4 cycle. And here, how many carbons are there in the first stable compound is the malic acid or aspartic acid. Don't confuse. Both are the carbon structure is as 4. 4 carbons are there. That's why this is called the C4 plants. See here in this reaction, this pathway. See, you can observe this one. 2 cells are there. I'll explain. No, chloroplast dimorphism are there. 2 cells are present in the where the VS of leaf structure are there. First cells is called, these are the mesophilic cell, and in this one is called the bundle sheath cell. Both cells you can observe the total cycle. The first one, the first step of in this cycle, the reaction of the C4 pathway. This pathway operators in 2 photosynthetic cells. What are the 2 photosynthetic? The first photosynthetic cells, this is called the mesophilic cell. The second photosynthetic cell is called bundle sheath cell. Okay. First, you can observe to the mesophilic cell. Here, carbon dioxide. Where the carbon dioxide are there? See here. This one is a CO2. Carbon dioxide is accepted. Actually, here in the form of carbon dioxide, always here can observe bicarbonate ions. What is the bicarbonate? HCO3 is called the bicarbonate. To not to direct to CO2 to that is the this CO2 not to accepted indirectly, but this carbon dioxide to for the conform to the in the form of bicarbonate ions. This is the bicarbonate. See, HCO3 minus is the bicarbonate. This carbon dioxide is accepted by a primary carbon acceptor. In this one, see in the C4 pathway, the primary CO2 or carbon acceptor called PEP. See here, you can observe this one, phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Carbon dioxide, where the first step of C4 cycle, carbon dioxide is accepted by a primary carbon acceptor that is called PEP. That is named phosphoenol pyruvic acid. These phosphoenol pyruvic acid to form in this one, see, you can observe in this phosphoenol pyruvic acid to form OAA, that is called oxaloacetic acid. This oxaloacetic acid always 4 carbon structure. See, listen careful. The first one, atmospheric carbon dioxide to the form of bicarbonate ions. This is the primary carbon. These primary carbon acceptor here PEP. This PEP to form OAA, which is the 4 carbon dicarboxylic acid. This reaction occur in the cytosol of mesophyll cells. This also most important. Where did you identify in this total reaction? Only cytosol of the mesophilic cells. And it is catalyzed the enzyme in between PEP to turn into the OAA. In between the enzyme, utilizing the enzyme PEP carboxylase, that is called pepcase, phosphoenol pyruvic carboxylase enzyme. This PEP undergoes to the utilizing the enzyme pepcase to form to the OAA, thus formed in the cytosol. You can observe this total reaction in the mesophilic cells, but where in the cytosol only, cytosol of the mesophilic cell. Now the cytosol now enter into the chloroplast of the mesophilic cell. These OAA now enter into the chloroplast of the mesophilic cell. These reactions undergoes, you can observe only cytosol. After the completion of the reaction, this one to enter into the chloroplast of the mesophyll cell. Cytosol is different, chloroplast cell is different. Don't confuse in this one. Okay, this is the first step. The second step of the C4 cycle, what is the final product in the first reaction? OAA. OAA meaning oxaloacetic acid. See this one, this OAA is reduced to, see here malic is there, no, malic acid. OAA is reduced to the malic acid, but malic acid also 4 carbon compound. Can observe the malic acid also 4 carbon compound. Which is the 4 carbon compound or 4 carbon dicarboxylic acid. Here utilizing the light generated energy. See what is the energy? Can you hear? NADPH energy is the in this one utilizing the NADPH. What is the NADPH? What is the another name? What is the another name? NADPH. Assimilatory power, no? Where the light reaction to produce the two assimilatory powers. One is the ATP. The second thing is the NADPH. Here, in the light reaction of the light generated NADPH to utilizing the OAA to form to the malic acid. In between the enzyme is called malic dehydrogenase enzyme. Did you understand this process total? But the first thing here, the atmospheric carbon dioxide, that is the always actually in the form of bicarbonate ions. Always don't write CO2 in the directly. HCO3 ions. This is a primary carbon acceptor. The first to form to the first CO2 acceptor is the PEP, phosphoenol pyruvic acid. This phosphoenol pyruvic acid to form to the OAA in between enzyme peptidase enzyme. You can observe the total reaction cytosol in the mesophilic cell. Now this PEP, this OAA formed in the cytosol. These OAA now enter into the mesophilic cell, chloroplast of the mesophilic cell. After this is the total first reaction. Then the OAA in the mesophilic cells, chloroplast of the mesophilic cell of OAA reduced to the malic acid. Here, how to reduce? You can utilizing the sum of energy. Energy, what type of energy is there here? NADPH is the light generated energy. This reaction catalyzed the enzyme is called malic dehydrogenase. Here, malic acid also 4 carbon structure. See, in the total, in some C4 plant, this, did you understand this mesophilic cells reactions? Yes or no? If any doubt here to ask.
Ma'am, what is meant by cytosol of the mesophilic cell?
Loudly, ma. Hello.
Ma'am, what is meant by cytosol of the mesophilic cell?
What is?
Cytosol.
In the cell structure, what is the difference in plasma membrane, cell wall, cytosol, cell organelle? Tell me first. See here, 1 second. This is a cell structure. Okay. Here in the plant cell wall is present. This is a cell wall. This one is the plasma membrane. Okay. Inside of the plasma membrane, what are there? The fluid-like structure is there, no? What is that one?
Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm.
Same like that. In the cytoplasm, what are the many cell organelles are there? Mitochondria, Golgi, like Golgi complex, ribosome. These all things are there. But here you can study the only chloroplast. Yes or no?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, this is a cytosol. Did you understand this point?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, next thing. Here the total is the completed of the mesophyll. Next one, base in the some C4 plants. See here, in some C4 plants, OAA, oxalic acetic acid, is converted into aspartic acid. In the before, I'll explain now 2 basic 4 stable compounds are there. One is a OAA. The second thing is the aspartic acid also. Here some plants, not for all C4 plants, based on the nature of the C4 acid formed sometimes to form to the OAA or sometimes to form to the aspartic acid. Both are the 4 carbon structure. Don't confuse. These the aspartic former. However, the path of carbon is malate former is only. I'll explain only here malate formers only to discuss the total in this cycle. See here, malic acid, I'll explain. No, these malic, now third equation. This is the first equation. This is the second process. And 1 second. This one is the, I'll explain. No, this part is the third one. Here, third one, the malic acid. See, in this malic acid, formed, this malic acid formed in the chloroplast of mesophyll. See here, this is a chloroplast. In the mesophyll cells, you can observe to the malic acid. Here, this malic acid formed in the chloroplast of mesophilic cells is now entered, now transported to the chloroplast of bundle sheath. ఓకే, మీకు ఇది అర్థమైందా? తెలుగులో చెప్పాలి ఒకసారి, ఏం అవసరం లేదు కదా. హలో హలో, ఎవరో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు, చాలా డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఉంది. See here in the mesophilic cells, malate now enter into the bundle sheath. Where the bundle sheath is there? In this malic acid, the mesophilic cell, chloroplast of mesophilic cells is now transported to the chloroplast of bundle sheath. Here malic acid, see in this malic acid now undergoes oxidative decarboxylation. What happened here? The malic acid converted into the, this malic acid is converted into the, undergoes oxidative decarboxylation to form to the pyruvic acid. See, this is the pyruvate. Pyruvate is there, no? In that is called pyruvic acid. Malic acid now undergoes to the oxidative decarboxylation to form to the pyruvic acid. Here, what is the pyruvic acid chemical structure? Sorry, carbons are 3 carbon structure. Why? This is a decarboxylation, no, to loss of 1 carbon. That's why this is to form this malic acid. Oxidative decarb undergoes to the oxidative decarboxylation to form to the pyruvic acid. This is a 3 carbon organic acid. In this, between the reaction enzyme, malic enzyme. Here, oxidation of malic acid, this malic acid, the oxidation of the malic acid during in these reactions is associated with the NADP. See here, you can observe in this one. Association with the reduction of NADP into NADPH+. Here to release the amount of some carbon dioxide. Yes or no? To lose the 1 carbon. To release the 1 carbon dioxide. That's why this malate, the 4 carbon structure of malate to converted into the 3 carbon structure of pyruvic acid. Here energy to the oxidation here association with the reduction of NADPH into the NADPH+. Here some amount of CO2. See here in this CO2, here the CO2 is released, no, in this step. This type of CO2 generated into the above reactions is utilized into the Calvin cycle, species cycle. This CO2 do not waste, but this CO2 to converted into the undergoes to the reaction utilized to the PC cycle, PCR cycle or Kelvin cycle. ఇక్కడ మీకు ఏమి CO2 వేస్ట్ అవ్వదు. ఈ CO2 అగైన్ మనకి కెల్విన్ సైకిల్ లో యూటిలైజ్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, ఇక్కడికి రండి. మళ్ళీ పైరువిక్ యాసిడ్. ద పైరువిక్ యాసిడ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్డ్ ఇన్ బండిల్ షీట్. ఇదంతా ఎక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది మీకు? బండిల్ షీట్ లోనే కనిపిస్తుంది. ద బండిల్ షీట్ ఆఫ్ పైరువిక్ యాసిడ్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద స్టెప్ 3 మూవ్ టు ద క్లోరోప్లాస్ట్. మళ్ళీ ఇదంతా ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది అంటే క్లోరోప్లాస్ట్ లోకి మూవ్ అవుతుంది. చూడండి, విచ్ వన్? pyruvic acid. The pyruvic acid produced in bundle sheet cell during the step 3 moves the chloroplast of mesophilic cells. Here it is photophosphorylate break the back. The photophosphorylate is a back, that is called PEP. This pyruvic acid to converted again PEP, that is called photophosphorylated back. That name is called photophosphorylated back, that is called to form to the this pyruvic acid, phosphoenol pyruvic acid. In between the enzyme phosphoenol pyruvic dikinase catalyzes enzyme. Here how to form in pyruvic acid? Here to utilizing some amount of ATPs help in photophosphorylation. This PEP then enter into the cytosol of mesophilic cell. This PEP now enter into the, where to form in this one? Now enter into the cytosol of the mesophilic cells. Here during total this carboxylation, the total during this pathway, there are 2 carboxylation are there. Where the one where the carboxylation, the first carboxylation, 2 carboxylation process are there in this C4 cycle. The first carboxylation one, each one is the bundle sheet one. See, mesophilic cell is there. In that mesophilic cell, one carboxylation is there. See here, this is the 1 carboxylation is there, and second carboxylation, see here, the second one is the bundle sheath, followed 1 carboxylation in bundle sheath. Here to synthesis of 1 molecule of glucose C4 pathway. 1 molecular glucose synthesis of C4 plants. The total is 30 ATP molecules and 12 NADPH molecules. In this pathway, 12 molecules of ATP are utilized in the excess of build the CO2 concentration levels in the bundle sheath cell. This is the total process of the C4 plants. Here in the examination time to ask the question, where did you identify the Kranz anatomy? What is the example of C4 plants? Kranz anatomy, as you know, two types of cells are there. One is the mesophilic cell. Second one is a bundle sheath cell. The both cells you can observe to the chloroplast. That's why the name is Kranz anatomy. What is the first stable compound? Here, what is the first what is the first 4 carbon compound? OAA is the first carbon. This one is the first carbon is the divide, that is the OAA in this one. Next thing is the in this one to ask the question sometimes what is the two sheets are the mesophilic cell or and second thing is the bundle sheath cell. What is the main difference in between the C3 cycle and C4 cycle? C3 cycle mostly temperature plants in some tropical plants also you can observe C3. C4 only tropical and subtropical plants. Kranz anatomy you can observe only C4 plants, but C3 plants no Kranz anatomy is totally absent. Chloroplast dimorphism, this also to ask the question in examination time. Only C4 plants only to have the chloroplast dimorphism is present. And what is the have two types of chloroplast? One is a granular and the second one agranular. Grana is present, agranular, both are there. That is the chloroplast dimorphism. Here C3 plants only Kelvin cycle is there. In the C4 plants both cycles are involved are there. That is the C4 pathway in mesophilic cells. Where the bundle sheath cell is there, in that bundle sheath cell C3 and C4 both are to involve bundle sheath both are the present in this pathway C4 plants. What is the CO2 primary acceptor in C3 plant? Tell me anyone. What is the primary acceptor?
RUBP, madam.
RUBP. Here PEP. In the C4 plants, first CO2 acceptor phosphoenol pyruvic acid. In the C3 plants RUBP. Here first stable compound which one? C3? PEP, phosphoenol pyruvic acid in the C3 plant. C4 plants OAA, oxaloacetic acid. Here atmosphere less efficient utilizing atmosphere CO2 in C3. C4 more efficient to the utilizing the atmospheric. And another most important, photo respiration is very high in C3 plants to compare the C4. And the temperature 15 to 25 degrees centigrade to optimum temperature C3 plants pathway, and C4 is a 30 to 45 degrees centigrade. Photosynthetic yield is very high to compare to the C3 plants. In the C3 plants only total 18 ATP molecule required. One glucose molecule synthesis, how many? Only 18 ATP. But in C4 plants, one glucose molecule to synthesis, how many ATPs? 30. This is the most important to common question. In the C3 plants, one glucose molecule to synthesis the how many ATPs are utilized? 18 in the C3. C4 low 30. And water is use efficiency very low in C3. Here very high efficiency are there. And CO2 compensation point also very high C3 plants here, very low into the C4 plants. This is the differentiation in between to the C3 and C4 plants. If any doubts to ask me, ma, here the total C4 plant, C4 pathway. Any doubts here? Tell me any doubts in the C4 plants? C4 pathway. No, it's clear?
Yes, madam, it's clear.
Yes. Okay, shall I close it, ma?
Okay, madam. Thank you, madam.
Extend ayindi. Okay, ma, I'll stop it here. Cam